Hi everybody, it's Lenny Rowe from Boston Connect. Just checking in, blizzard of 2010. It's December 28th, 2010. I'm at Brant Rock in Marshfield. The waves just came up and splashed on the wall. We're not even at close to high tide yet, but I'll give you a quick view of the ocean. As you can see, it's a little choppy out here and quite windy. We didn't get a lot of snow in Marshfield, but we did get a lot of rain, a lot of ice, and a lot of wind. We're going to be driving around the South Shore, so we'll check back with you in a little bit. Talk to you soon.